Hey people, you notice this entire lockdown phase, everyone is really like the true essence of their personality is being seen. Like there are people who are spending the whole day binge watching, not whole day, but yeah. Then there are those who are involving themselves in volunteer activity. Then there are those who are trying to learn a new skill. So it's it's like nature has given a pause button to life, and it's just we should be very grateful for this phase. Yeah, I mean, seriously. Like, since I'm part of this Japanese healing group called Happy Science, it's my ardent desire and wish to learn the Japanese language, for which I am yesterday I stepped out after long. So you step out and there is some sort of thing in the air. So yeah, I mean, like there is this one program called Doctor X, which is a medical drama, and it is on Netflix. So you all should check it out, people. It's a Japanese medical drama, so it's very different from our Indian type of medical dramas that would, like suddenly have like a song in the middle, or whatever. It's the Japanese medical drama is worth checking out. It's called Doctor X and it's on Netflix. So, on that note, uh, yeah, it's about this very pretty female surgeon who's a freelance surgeon. I never realized there's anything known as a freelance surgeon, but apparently there is in Japan. So you get to learn new things, you learn a new culture, new language. So do check it out. Dr. X on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.